Update muna nga tayo sa mundo ng basketball sa Gilas, Pilipinas paghahanda sa laban nila sa New Zealand at Australia. Ito nga breaking news, PAC Sports Australia nagparinig sa Pilipinas at posible daw gulo na naman ang mangyayari laban sa Gilas at Australia at ito pa nga matindi. Pinararatangan pa tayo na promotor ng gulo, ngunit bago tayo magpatuloy, pakipindot naman ang like, subscribe at ang notification bell para updated ka sa susunod kong i-upload. Bukod nga dito sa New Zealand na una nating makakaharap sa February 26 at pinaghahandaan talaga to ng Gilas Pilipinas dahil mabigat din ito na ating makakalaban, ay yung isa pa nga ang mas pinaghahandaan. Walang iba kundi ang Australia na magaganap ang laban ng Gilas sa March 1 at syempre muling dadayo itong Australia sa ating baluarte. At alam nating lahat na markado na itong Australia pagdating sa Pilipinas dahil kung ating ang babalikan ay nagkaroon ng gulo ang Australia at ang Pilipinas noong nakaraang FIBA World Cup qualifiers din yun kung hindi ako nagkakamali, at muli na namang sinariwa ng Australia, partikular na sa kanilang sports page na PAC Sports Australia ang nangyaring gulo. At ang sabi nga dito sa kanilang caption, Basketball 2.0 o Basketball Brawl 2.0 is coming. Australia Boomers travel to the Philippines for a historic rematch this Sunday night. Ang sabi pa nga, for the first time since that shocking fight, still hard to believe it got this bad. At ito pa nga matindi dahil may mga sinabi nga sila patungkol sa atin sa nangyaring gulo noong nakaraang FIBA World Cup way back 2023. At dito nga ay nag-uusap-usap sila at parang pinararatangan pa nila ang Pilipinas o ang mga Gilas players na pasimuno ng gulo. Sabi pa nga nila criminal activity daw. Tapos nagalit daw yung mga Pilipino fans ng talunin ni Jeff Horn sa kanilang baluarte ang ating kampiyon na si Manny Pacquiao. At ayan nga yung mga pinatutunog nila at hindi nga sila makapag-move on sa nangyaring gulo sa Pilipinas at sa Australia. At talaga namang pinupunto nila na ang mga Gilas players daw yung nagpasimuno ng matinding gulo. At pakinggan natin yung buong interview at ang kanilang buong sinabi.
Difficult time for Australian basketball. By now, most of you have probably seen the ugliness as the Boomers World Cup qualifier against the Philippines descended into a street brawl. You were actually calling it, Shane Hill. Seen anything like it?
Nothing like it ever before in basketball, and probably not even Australian sport.
Yep.
And you know what transpired from this moment is scary. I mean, it's bad vision for not only our sport, but you know who does these sort of things.
Well, exactly. Filipinos, obviously they're still angry about Pacquiao getting beaten by Jeff Horn. I think, it is phenomenal, and you'd think that there's some kind of barrier in modern day sport, but this, as we say, it's basically criminal activity, and I guess there's some talk of legal action. Golding, who as you see there down on the bottom there, and is just jumped on by masses of people.
Well, Golding had up to 10 players. Have a look. He's at the bottom of that. There's security guards that are virtually just watching his players, you know, kick and punch him in the head. The worst part about it was that some of the staff from the Philippines team came on and actually punched our guys in the head, and the amount of coward punches that happened as coming off the bench and just lining our guys up and punching them in the back of the head, scary.
Those people sitting off the end of the court, were they just photographers or were they team officials?
I think the volunteers and photographers, a whole lot of everybody, but everyone got involved. And even when Nathan Sobey tried to get out of it, then another chair's thrown at him again for good measure. But we're lucky we're not sitting here talking about a tragedy.